Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making a Christmas card using some different products from Xyron, and also going to be using this Poinsettia art screen from ColorBox and using some foiled paper from Rinea. So the first thing, let me show you what I did here. I used an embossing folder, and my card that I'm making is a 5x5 card. No, actually it's 5.5 by 5.5, sorry about that. So my card base, and for my front card panel, because my embossing folder wasn't big enough, I did half on one side and then I switched it and ran it through again on the other side, so that way I was able to emboss my entire card. So get started here. I'm also going to use, this is Glitter Kiss from, it's Frosty Sparkle Kiss is the color of it, and Glitter Kiss I guess is the actual product. I got this at a show somewhere, I don't remember what show it was, once upon a time. So it's just a light like paste with some glitter in it, and the sponge goes on the top. As you saw, it just stores right onto the top of it. I'm just going to get some of this on the sponge, don't need tons of it. And then over the raised area, I'm just going to rub it right across just to give the top of my card some sparkle. There we go. So you can see the pretty sparkle it adds to it. Glittery shimmer. So now I'm just going to set that aside to dry. I'm now taking a piece of the emerald, this is Rinea Emerald Starstruck foiled paper, and the Poinsettia. I am going to just lay that on there. You can use a pen or a pencil or anything. Since it's foiled paper, it will indent. So what I'm going to do is just kind of trace around the outside edge so I can get kind of an idea. And then I am going to fussy cut this out. Okay, so when you're done, you'll have it looking like that, and then you just start cutting it out. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the red, but I am actually going to do it on, trace onto the gold side because I don't want the pen on the red side, what I'm using. So I'm going to do the larger part, and then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to redo it doing the smaller one. So I'll actually be cutting it out twice. So when you're done, you can have the middle like that, and then another one like this. And again, cut them out. Once you're done, you should have 3 pieces like this. And then I'm going to offset those ones. And then this one is going to go in the middle like that. But before I do that, I'm going to run it through my Xyron Creative Station. This is, oops. So in here I have the permanent adhesive, and it's the 9-inch one. So make sure the side that you want the adhesive on is going to be down. So like with the red ones, on the gold side I want the adhesive on. And then once you run it through, just press down the bar and cut it right off. And I'm going to push it down, make sure it's all attached really well onto the sticky part. And then before I peel it apart, I'm actually going to crinkle it up, just like as if I'm going to throw it away, but I'm not. There we go. So now taking the back, the cardstock that I put the glitter on, and then peeling that off. because I crinkled up the foil, it makes it a little bit more fragile, so I'm peeling it up carefully. Okay, and just finding where I want that on my card. And I'm just going to adhere it down, trying to keep the wrinkles in there. And then I'm going to repeat the same step with the next two layers. Okay, now that I have it all on there, into the center, I'm just going to poke a hole, and then take this brad that I've had forever, just place it right into the center, and then using my Mega Runner, I'm going to attach this to the front of my card base. And there you have it. Pretty simple, yet pretty card. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and also like my video. Thank you. See you next time.